Hey guys, this is Mohammad Usman from Pakistan and you're watching Paper Knowledge. In today's video, I'm going to share a party planner with you which I recently created, and this party planner will save a lot of time if you are going to plan or arrange a party for yourself or your family members or friends. So I'm going to give a brief introduction of this party planner, and you can easily add it and customize this party planner based on your requirements. On the first section, you can add party name, event title, venue location, additional information, whatever you want to add. And after this section, here comes the main part of this party planner, which is checklist. You can check or uncheck this listing based on your requirements, or you can also add things based on your requirements like this, and you can just click here and tick. So this is the party planning checklist, which is easy to add it and easy to manage. And after the party planning checklist, here I add a guest list where you can add the people you are going to invite, and this is also very easy to manage and add it. Let's suppose you are going to invite Alice. All you need to do is just, if you send the invitation, just check this box and check this box, and if you got a thank you message or you send a thank you message, you can also check this. And if you want to extend the guest list, you can simply copy any single row, and on the down row just click paste, and you got a new row for more people to add in your guest list. And after the guest list, I added a party budget section where you can manage your party budget, and this budget is based on venue, decoration, food, entertainment, and event documentation. So when you put a single value here, let's suppose a location rental is $500, and you can see that these values are automatically changing with respect to these values. So this is very easy. And if you come here in the decoration section, you can also check that this budget is automatically calculating. So this budget will give you a complete insight of your total budget, total expense, and differences. So overall, this party planner will help you to manage your party in a unique and in a modern way. So if you want to get this template, you can directly contact me in the comment section. I added my Fiverr link there. I'm a full-time freelancer and Microsoft Excel trainer as well. And in my routine life, I design and create dashboards, party planners, and a lot of things in Microsoft Excel. So if you need live sessions, you can also contact me. If you need the plannings, if you need this kind of templates, you can also contact me. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a very good day.